Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to prepare if you are going to unlock cooking hobby level 12 in Heartopia. So you'll need to unlock gardening level 11 first because you will need this item, which is the tea tree, and you're gonna want to do that first. Then you are going to scroll down and you will need some daisies and some roses for the teas. Here I'll put like a picture right now to show you guys what you need and what it looks like. But basically you will need some daisies and you will also need some roses, especially roses because they take 4 days to grow. Yes, 4 days. So make sure you stock up on roses if you want to make the tea. So this is what I'm just going to do now. I'm just going to purchase 9 of each, which is what I usually do. But yeah, if you want to upgrade your your cooking hobby to level 12, make sure you do those first. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.